Hey, what's up? We about to get lit. Hey, it's her. Yeah, lit. It's her. Hey, what's up, you guys? Instagram Nicole, and today I'm back at it again with another, little hair review, little hair install. And I know I said I was gonna make these videos boring. You know what I'm saying? But I just felt like I had to share this with y'all because before I do anything, because this is not bad. What y'all think about this look? Okay, so let's get into the specs of it. So I got a 16-inch closure, an 18-inch, 20 and 22 bundles. So 3 bundles and a closure right here, right now. As you will see, when I was combing the hair out before and after, this hair was more defined. And as I'm combing it out more, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Honestly, this is really big hair for 3 bundles, and it's shorter, so the bundles are a little bit more fuller. I kind of wish, well, I don't know how I feel about the closure being this short, because as you can see, the closure's right here and then it goes the bundles. I don't know if I would have wanted it to be maybe 18 inches, but I don't know. But if you want to get into the specs of hair with me, stuff like that, then please keep on watching. Okay.
Noticing you really like me, can't control my anxiety, feeling like I'm touched.
Alright, so first and foremost, this is Ali Pearl Hair. They reached out to, do a video. Look at this hair, check out their website, look on there or whatever. Maybe comment down below what hair you're looking to want to win, and I could work with them so that when I do the giveaway video, we can do that. So we'll talk about the rules and stuff in a different video, but I'm kind of excited because now I have a hair company that's giving back to you guys and not just making me do a review and be done. So I'm happy I get to share some bomb hair with you and then do a review. So I don't know if you guys seen my I don't know if you guys have seen my other brown curly hair unit that I have. It's basically just randomly highlighted. I have a video on it. I will probably put it in the cards. But this hair, I kind of like it like this. This is a quick, go. I did lay down the closure with the spritz method, and I do have some of my leave out on the sides. I will link that down below as well, how I do my spritz method with my closures. But this isn't half bad. At first I thought this was ugly, but this isn't half bad. This is one of those wigs where you just I'm here! And I ain't even try to do my hair, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I can't even fit my whole head in the camera. Hold on. I could barely fit my hair in the camera. But see, low-key, I feel like the closure a little too short. It's making me look I don't know, different. I don't know. I'm not really one... Let me see if I can get a good selfie. I'm not really one that likes curly hair like that. I don't know. Curly hair is just not my thing. I definitely can't wait to see how this looks on Kay though, because I want her to do a review on this because she's the one who made the wig. Shout out to Kay. Kay, let them know. Kay made the wig, y'all. So this is what the texture is looking like. This is their deep wave texture. I believe this is their Brazilian deep wave. So look at the quality of the hair. This is really, really nice. Shoot. Let me know. Should I die? Ooh, my chair makes so much noise. I don't know why. It's so annoying. I never used to do this. Kaylee broke it. But, okay, you guys. So, let me know. I'm not going to waste too much. I just want to showcase this hair to you and get you ready for the giveaway video that I have coming up. Also, let me know if you think I should try straightening it, or if Kay should try straightening it and seeing how it reverts back curly. Maybe do half of it and then wet the other half to see if it turns right back into this side. Let us know. Let me know down in the comments if you want a wig made like this. Let me know if you want this wig. I'll sell it to you if you want it. Comment down below. Serious inquiries only though. So if you want this wig, we could talk. We could chit chat. I could give it to you. Just let me know what you think I should do with the wig, okay? But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I did not bleach the knots. I just put my powder on it and the part is sitting really well. Shout out to Kay. She did a good job on this wig. You know what I'm saying? It's really flat, It is pretty flat. So I low-key want to do one of those big old ponytails with the curly hair. No? Okay. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Ali Pearl, for making me be able to, work with you and possibly do a giveaway video with my subscribers. Well, not possibly. It's going to happen. But thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, if you want a wig like this made or if you want this specific wig, just let me know. I will see you guys in the next one. All right? Love you. Mwah. Peace.